Friends, have you felt it? That strange sensation that time is accelerating, that the rules of the world are dissolving right in front of us. Yesterday's guaranteed success is today's failure. The institutions we thought were rock solid are suddenly fragile. This isn't just your imagination. In the ancient metaphysical maps of the East, we are approaching a massive, energetic singularity. That singularity is the year 2026. In the Chinese zodiac, this is known as the year of the fire horse, Bing Wu. You might have heard about period 9 or the age of fire, but let me tell you, 2024 was just the spark. 2026 is the bonfire. This report isn't just a prediction. It is a survival manual for the crucible that lies ahead. Why do I call 2026 a crucible? Because the energy of this year is pure fire. In the I Ching, this creates a specific phenomenon. The fire of truth melts the gold of authority. Let me explain. Gold represents the old world, rigid hierarchies, top-down control, titles, and traditional institutions. Fire represents the new world, transparency, visibility, and radical truth. When the fire horse arrives in 2026, it brings a great melting. It means that titles will no longer protect you. Only competence will. It means that if an authority figure, a corporation, or a system is hollow on the inside, the fire will burn through the facade instantly. This is a year of disillusionment. The pedestals will crumble, revealing that the idols we worshipped were made of wax. So, in this raging fire, where is the most dangerous place to stand? The answer might surprise you. It is center stage. In the energy map of 2026, there is a star known as the 5 yellow. This represents volatility, disaster, and collapse. And guess where it lands in 2026? It flies directly into the south, the sector of fame, visibility, and the spotlight. This creates a toxic combination called fire feeding earth. It means the spotlight has become a trap. For influencers, politicians, or anyone chasing viral fame in 2026, beware. The higher you climb in the public eye, the harder the fall. Scandals will not just damage reputations, they will incinerate them. So, my first piece of advice for 2026, do not chase the limelight. If the outside world is a burning building, where is the exit? Ancient wisdom gives us a key. While the south is burning, the center sector hosts a different star, the one white star. This star represents wisdom, fluidity, and water. This is the secret to survival in 2026. Be water. When the world gets hot and angry, that is fire. You must remain cool, deep, and reflective, that is water. Don't try to be gold and fight the system, you will melt. Don't try to be fire and join the mob, you will burn out. Be water. Go deep. Focus on learning, philosophy, and inner wisdom. The power in 2026 shifts from who is the loudest to who is the deepest. Finally, I want to share the ultimate strategy from the I Ching. It comes from hexagram 13, fellowship. The ancient text gives a specific instruction, fellowship in the wild. 同人与业. What does the wild mean for us today? Think of the city as the old, walled-in systems. The corporate ladder, the 9-to-5 grind, the mainstream media echo chambers. In 2026, the city is overcrowded and overheating. The wild is the open space outside the walls. It is the decentralized world. It is the creator economy, the digital nomad lifestyle, the niche communities, the startups operating on the fringe. The strategy for 2026 is, leave the walled city. Stop looking for validation from dying institutions. Go out into the wild and find your tribe based on shared values, not shared geography or bloodlines. Build small, trusted networks of people who are awake. That is your safety net. Friends, the year of the fire horse, 2026, is not the end of the world. It is a purification. Fire destroys the dead wood, but it clears the ground for new growth. Don't be afraid of the heat. Just remember, stay out of the toxic spotlight. Keep your mind cool like water, and find your true companions in the wild. If you can do that, you won't just survive the fire, you will be forged by it.